Hello friends, myself Dr. Sarosh Kumar Sahu. I'm working as a consultant cardiologist at BS Heartcare Kurukshetra. आज मैं कुछ बेसिक चीज़ बारे बताऊंगा. So most of patients have doubt about the post of interventions care. Like जो पेशेंट को ऑलरेडी स्टेंटिंग हुआ है उनके डिस्चार्ज के बाद क्या क्या उनको एडवाइस होना चाहिए, क्या क्या फॉलो अप करना चाहिए. So specifically patients have doubt of when to join duties, how to take medicines and when to start regular routine activities. पेशेंट को पहली चीज़ है कि जो आफ्टर स्टेंटिंग के बाद that should take proper regular medicines as per doctor's advice. And second important thing that तो after discharge अगर आपको कोई स्टेंटिंग साइड से कोई भी ब्लीडिंग है, कोई भी पेन है, कोई भी स्वेलिंग है, सो दे शुड कंटैक्ट इमरजेंसी इमीडिएटली. सपोज पेशेंट्स को अगर फीमोरल आर्टरी से टांग से एंजियोग्राफी एंजियोप्लास्टी हुआ है, अगर उनको पेशेंट को कहीं पे स्वेलिंग हो रहा है लोकल साइड में और कहीं पे पेन हो रहा है चलते हुए, तो दे शुड कंटैक्ट इमरजेंसी डिपार्टमेंट इमीडिएटली एज सून एज पॉसिबल. एंड पेशेंट्स आफ्टर डिस्चार्ज के बाद दे शुड टेक for few days rest, and rest के बाद after 7 days they can start regular activities. They should start their low walking activities like jogging, and they should gradually increase their activities. Those patients have job and they are doing manual labors like in field, they can start after 7 to 10 days. And as far as follow-up, most patients they should be in touch of doctors with regular follow-up, and regularly they should take medicines, and regularly they should check for those patient diabetes. They should have regular checkup for blood sugar levels, lipid profile levels, and most of patients those after intervention the medicines for blood thinners were starting antiplatelet, they should continue for at least 1 year. And after 1 year you will decrease the dose or decrease the number of pills as for patients complaints. And अगर patient को कोई भी in between में ऑपरेशन जरूरत पड़ती है तो sometimes we need to stop the antiplatelets in between, and we need to take the patient's risk factors, patient's history of any prior history of MIs, and number of interventions, number of stent. They should elective surgery should be postponed at least for 6 months after interventions. अगर पेशेंट को स्टेंटिंग के बाद भी कोई सिम्टम्स, चेस्ट पेन, सांस में दिक्कत हो रहा है, they should immediately contact BS Heartcare at emergency, and because they can have their stent blocked or any new blockage in separate arteries. Thank you.